In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache in Elementor. To begin, open your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand side menu of the screen and find Elementor. Hover your mouse over it, and from the side menu that appears, click on Tools. This will take you into Elementor's Tools section. Make sure you are in the General tab within this section. Here you will see the option for Elementor Cache, and right in front of it you'll notice a button that says Clear Files and Data. The description here explains that clearing cache will remove outdated CSS files and cache data stored in the database. It also notes that these files will be regenerated the next time someone visits a page on your website. To proceed, simply click on the Clear Files and Data button. After this, click on Save Changes to confirm. Once the cache is cleared, many common issues in Elementor can be resolved. For example, if you have been facing the well-known server error that often appears after updating Elementor, clearing cache usually resolves it. This is a simple yet highly effective step to ensure that Elementor functions smoothly, and that is how you can clear cache in Elementor.